Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your YouTube progress bar in rainbow color. So you guys can see here, if you watch a YouTube video, the progress bar of your watching is like red like this, and I'm gonna show you how to change it into like a rainbow color. So it's so easy, but I'm gonna tell you how. So in your like when you watch the YouTube, you can just type in your keyboard the word awesome, AWESOME, and I'm gonna just click on type in the words, and here is the result. Okay, you guys can see here now it's changed into like a rainbow glitch color like this. And yeah, let's see. So if you play again, you can also see that the progress bar will still be like a rainbow color. But if you want to go back to the red color, you can just type the word awesome again, or you can also refresh your page. I'm going to click on awesome, and now it's go back to red like this. Okay guys, so that's the easiest tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.